In one of my previous videos, I showed you how to install fence posts. This video, I'm going to show you how to create close board fencing. So now your posts are set, you're going to need to install some horizontal arras rails. Clamp these into position, check that they're level using your spirit level, and then drill some pallet holes through the front of the post and drive in 2 100mm screws. Now I'm applying a high strength, fast curing adhesive across the face of all the arras rails. Then place your feather edge slats into position. You can hold these down using a hammer and a nail, but if you happen to have a nail gun, it'll be a bit quicker. It's just until the adhesive is dry. Every third board, check that it's level, and then continue to do this until your section is complete. And that's how you build your close board fencing. If you're looking for more 60-second tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.